AI agents are changing how we do landing page optimization. Have you ever wished you could instantly uncover growth opportunities on your landing pages? Well, in 2025, AI agents are making that possible. And one of my favorite marketing use cases for AI agents is using them to scrape my own landing pages, ingest the code, and then generate actionable recommendations for improvement. This capability opens up really exciting opportunities and grounds conversation around SEO optimization, landing page performance, content improvements, growth opportunities, and even ad related insights. So, today I'm going to walk you through some new AI agents that are available on prototypr.ai, and we're going to talk about how we can use them to analyze a landing page. So, the agents that I'm going to be working with today, I'm going to focus on these two over here. So, there is a Google Analytics 4 agent which can help companies and customers pull data from their Google Analytics account with natural language. And then we're going to also bring in an AI optimizer agent into the conversation and use it to scrape the landing page and offer up some interesting optimization and insights. So the page that I want to talk about today that I'm going to use as a demo is a product page that's on prototypr.ai. It is for the product called AI Studio, so Prototyper AI Studio. And what it can do is it can help you generate UI with AI in seconds. And I'm really excited about this product. It works really, really well. You can generate UI with leading AI models from around the world. So the best models out there. So we have O1 Mini, GPT-4o, Claude 3.5 Sonnet, and the new Gemini 2.0 Flash. I'm very excited about this product. So I'm really curious to see how these agents are going to present some opportunities for me. So let's get started on trying to uncover some opportunities for my landing page. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to select this GA4 agent, and I'm actually in the prototyper analytics section. It's called Test Center, and you see some prompts right here. So I have a bunch of saved Google Analytics prompts. So I'm just going to click on this one right here, and it's going to fetch some data. So over the past 30 days, please pull primary CTA click conversion rate where page path equals product / UI with AI. And it did that really quickly. So this is great. And so what we see here is that this page is converting at about 28%. So 28% of people are clicking on that first primary call to action CTA. One of the things that I want to show you as it relates to this Google Analytics agent is you can click on that little 3-dot menu right there, and you can view the API query that the agent used to pull this data. So let's just take a quick look at that, make sure everything's on the up and up. So here we see our time range, so 30 days to yesterday. We have our page path matches exactly products / UI with AI. And we also have the metric, user conversion rate, primary CTA click. So that's great. That works really, really well. I'm really, really happy to be to see that. And so I built that functionality into the agent so you can feel confident when you're requesting Google Analytics data from your account using prototyper.ai that it's pulling the right data. And if it's not, you can just ask the agent to update the query. Okay, so now that we have like a baseline understanding of how the page is performing, let's bring in our AI optimizer agents. And we're going to ask it some questions, right? So we'll say, what are some content optimization opportunities that I can do to make this page more helpful to users? All right, so I'm going to include the URL so it knows where to go. Just going to come up here and grab that, paste it in, and I'm going to hit enter. And so what's happening here is this agent uses a bot to then go to that page, grab all the code from that page, put that in the model, and then it's going to present some potential optimization opportunities using some leading edge models. So let's see what happens here. Okay, perfect. So the models come back with some opportunities for the URL. And we see here, so optimize hero section headline. I'm not going to go through all these, but I just want to take a quick peek. So the current headline is this. So you can kind of see that it's actually taken some of the code from the page and it's showing like, here's the opportunity. So while the current headline is concise, it can be more descriptive and benefit from including relevant keywords. For example, you could highlight the benefits of speed and the use of AI. So here's a suggestion. Consider variations like generate AI UI prototypes in seconds with natural language. So yeah, that's pretty good. It also gives some rationale, which is really cool. That's neat. And there's also a couple other ones. I'm not going to go through each one, but improve the hero section description, enhance CTA button text, improve video section copy. So it's come up with like a lot of ideas here. And so with this AI optimizer agent, what we can do is we can try and capture some of these ideas as test plans, right? So we can build some experiments and experiment plans so that we can test and see if we can try and get to a point where our marketing copy is really, really strong, right? And it resonates with visitors who are coming and searching for topics around like UI generation. So let's try and save the first one. I really like that one. So we'll say something like, can you please create an experiment plan with the hypothesis that by changing the headline on the landing page from mock-up UI with AI in seconds to, we'll just take this for now. And so, okay, we will see a 10% improvement over the 28% baseline. And so what's going to happen now is this agent is going to take that hypothesis and start to build an experiment plan. So the AI agent has come back and said, hey, I've put together first draft of a test plan for your review. Please click on the card to view and edit your new test plan and hypothesis. So it's given us our hypothesis. And here we go. Here's our test plan that the agent has created. So we have a nice little test plan document. You can come in here and change your hypothesis, add in some key learnings, started to build out a background for the experiment design. You can have images input in here as well. So for the different variations and link to your reports and next steps. So I think this is a really great start. And I actually had some other ideas that I was thinking about around wireframing because this tool actually does wireframing really well. So I'm just kind of curious as to like where could I potentially fit that topic into this landing page. So I can ask it something like, let's say, I'd like to include a section around wireframing with AI on this page. What do you think of that? All right, so you can use this agent to help you brainstorm and just kind of explore and talk about your content that you have like in a really fast and easy way. And so here we go. It's going to talk about including a section around wireframing could be a valuable addition for several reasons. So it enhances user experience, demonstrates versatility of the product, supports visual learning. It could potentially attract more users and improves SEO. And that's definitely one of the reasons why I was thinking about that. Cool. So some suggestions could be introduce it, how it's important. Okay, this is great. This is really great. I'm gonna just ask it one more kind of question around wireframing. What if I were to create a small section for wireframing with AI and then linking to a new page? What benefit would that yield? So now let's see what it says, right? So this is really exciting. So I'm really excited about using this AI optimizer tool. So because it has access to all of your kind of code from that page, there's lots of really interesting questions that you as a marketer could potentially explore, right? So creating a small section with wireframing and linking to a new dedicated page could yield the following benefits. So more in-depth information, specialized SEO benefits. So a dedicated page can target specific keywords, helping improve site visibility in search engines. This can generate additional organic traffic to your site. Perfect. Okay, so I think this is a good short demo that I'd like to kind of leave here. And I'm just going to say thank you because it's always nice to be polite to these models. And yeah, so that's the demo. That's how I'm using AI agents to explore landing page optimization. If you'd like to check it out, this is now generally available in prototypr.ai in the analytics section. So you would click on that and you can access the AI optimizer agent. We also have this AI optimizer is behind a developer API. So if you're a developer and you would like to integrate with this optimization agent, please feel free to try it. Let me know what you think. And if you have any comments or feedback, feel free to drop those in the comments below. And so last but not least, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day.